Fellow executive secretaries of multilateral environmental agreements and intergovernmental bodies serviced by the United Nations, Ms. Patricia Cameri Mbote, Director of UNEP Law Division, and Mrs. Yvonne Higueros, Secretary General of CITES, co-chairs of InforMEA, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to address this high-level segment of the 16th InforMEA Steering Committee meeting as Secretary of the Escazú Agreement serviced by ECLAC. Since 2018, the year of the Escazú Agreement adoption, ECLAC has been a proud and active member of InforMEA. We value this space to strengthen ties among multilateral environmental agreements and to jointly address implementation challenges across our respective mandates. Latin America and the Caribbean stands at a crossroads, facing three development traps: one of low capacity to grow and transform productively, one of high inequality, low social mobility and weak social cohesion, and a third one of weak institutional capacities and ineffective governance. These challenges are further intensified by a cascade of global disruptions, commercial instability, erosion of multilateral frameworks, and declining public trust in democratic governance. In this context, ECLAC has proposed a series of transformations that we see as vital to advance towards a more inclusive, sustainable, and productive development model. Many of these transformations are closely linked to environmental action and governance. The Escazú Agreement, as the region's first environmental treaty and the only one hosted by ECLAC, provides a vital instrument for those transformations, grounded in transparency, public participation, access to justice, and stronger democratic governance. Now more than ever, environmental agreements such as Escazú and others within the InforMEA family are essential to meet the challenges of our time. InforMEA has provided invaluable tools to enhance public awareness, e-learning, and interconnection across multilateral environmental agreements. In particular, I wish to highlight two key areas where ECLAC has benefited from this collaboration. First, the e-learning platform, especially the course on the environmental dimension of SDG 16, developed with UNEP and UNICE and offered in Spanish, English, and French. And secondly, cooperation with other multilateral environmental agreements, particularly during COPs of the Aarhus Convention, Minamata Convention, UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, and Convention on Biological Diversity. Since the last steering committee, 3 have been significant developments for Escazú. Membership has grown to 24 signatories and 18 parties. 3 conferences of the parties have been held, with the 4th planned for April 2026. Our compliance committee is operational, having received 6 communications and conducted 3 country visits. A regional action plan on human rights defenders in environmental matters has been adopted. Several countries have published or are developing national implementation roadmaps. The Escazú Observatory continues to evolve, including new content on plastics, water, oceans, mercury, and pollutant release and transfer registers. Access rights, information, participation, and justice are essential to the 2030 agenda and to fulfilling multilateral environmental agreements across biodiversity, climate change, land degradation, pollution, and hazardous substances. Escazú serves as a regional benchmark for improving transparency and accountability in these areas. We firmly believe InforMEA can spark further collaboration, bilateral and multilateral, among our secretariats. As we embark on another InforMEA year, you can count on ECLAC and the Escazú Agreement to build greater synergies and achieve shared results. Thank you, and best wishes for a successful meeting.